This is the Iowa weather report for Friday, December the 7th, 2012. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today we have some energy coming through the Dakotas, another piece of energy across the Pacific Northwest with a fairly broad trough across the middle part of the country. This will be bringing some snow to South Dakota and maybe a few flurries and light snow showers into northwest Iowa, a little bit of lingering rain in far southeast Iowa early in the day, and then clearing out to the east. Saturday, the system over South Dakota quickly moves into Michigan, and another storm with a low pressure system north of Scottsbluff, Nebraska will start to get organized. And then on Sunday, that moves off to the east with some snow, maybe a little bit of snow or rain mix around here. The heaviest snow looks like it's going to be up in Minnesota and Wisconsin, however, but maybe an inch around here. Then Monday, it just gets colder. Temperatures highs in the 20s to near 30, maybe up to near freezing, with the rain and showers and storms and snow well to our east and to our south. And Tuesday, it still remains cold. Sunny, however, with highs in the 20s to lower 30s as the cold air just filters in from the north. Fairly light winds, though, here on Tuesday. And then here on Wednesday, the winds switch back to the south and west, so temperatures will probably get up to the upper 20s to middle 30s. Wind chills could be down into the lower 20s, however. And then here on Thursday, we have pretty much another high-pressure system in Canada trying to nose itself in. A little bit of snow over South Dakota and Wyoming, but nothing much around here. And then a week from today, next Friday, we have a system digging in through the Texas and Oklahoma panhandle, and this is a storm we'll have to watch. With some energy and some cold air in our neck of the woods, this could bring some snow to the western part of the state down and through the plains and some showers and thunderstorms along the Gulf. We'll have to see if this storm turns and moves northeast or just keeps going along the Gulf Coast. A couple days later, on the 18th, we have another trough moving through with some energy over the Great Lakes, another one over off the Pacific Northwest coast. And the storm next to us could bring some snow showers and lake effect snow showers across the Great Lakes, maybe clipping northeast Iowa, and a fairly substantial storm moving into the west. And at the end of the forecast on the 22nd, we have a trough over the east and a ridge pumping up across the middle part of the country, and another trough axis just off the west coast once again with a fairly quick moving flow. And if this is to be right, we could have a pretty substantial snowstorm just to our east, high pressure over us, which means it'll probably, if this is right, it'll be fairly cold, with another storm moving into the Pacific Northwest once more. But last night's satellite image had some high and mid-level clouds around here with a storm system in disturbance with a few showers along it. The next disturbance over the Dakotas into Montana will be moving through today and into tonight, and the one over the Northwest later in the weekend. The watch warning map from last evening had a winter weather advisory across South Dakota, some winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings across Montana, Idaho, and into Washington and Oregon, and some freezing rain advisories possible across Pennsylvania. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock, showing the heaviest amounts of precipitation still remaining from about Pittsburgh to Cincinnati to Louisville down to Memphis, where 2 to 3 inches of rain possible, with maybe a quarter of an inch around here.